Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about the Ireland General Employment Permit or GEP, which you can use to live and work freely in Ireland for 2 years, and it's extendable for another 3 years, after which you can apply for residency. This 5-year General Employment Permit offers skilled professionals from around the world a golden opportunity to work and live in Ireland with long-term security. With high-paying jobs, a clear path to permanent residency, and the ability to bring your spouse and family, this permit opens doors to career growth, world-class healthcare, and education in an English-speaking, tech-driven nation. Plus, with quick processing in just 6 to 8 weeks, it's one of the most accessible routes for ambitious immigrants ready to take the next big step. In this video, I'll show you a detailed breakdown of the Ireland 5-year General Employment Permit as of 2025, who can apply for it, the average salaries you'll get paid, its requirements, processing timelines, visa and permit costs, the documents needed, key benefits Ireland offers for immigrants, spouse visa options, and a step-by-step application guide, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, it's Jason from Bream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate in new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start with the GEP overview. The type of visa is a long-term work permit. It's valid for up to 5 years. Remember, it's initially issued for 2 years and it's renewable up to 5 years. The processing time is between 6 to 8 weeks, and the target audience is skilled professionals from non-EEA, which is non-European Economic Area countries. Coming to language tests, it's not needed for the permit itself, but it's highly recommended to demonstrate English proficiency for your overall visa application. Now coming to who can apply for this visa. All non-EEA nationals who have a job offer in Ireland with the minimum salary threshold, and those qualified or skilled in a profession that's not on the ineligible list, and those that have a legitimate Irish employer willing to sponsor them. There's an extensive ineligible occupations list. Anyone working in these jobs are not eligible to apply for this work permit. I'll add a link to this list in the description box so you can check if your occupation is eligible for this program. Coming to the average salaries for a few professions in Ireland in 2025, starting with software developers who earn between 60,000 to 85,000 euros, registered nurses who earn between 40,000 to 55,000 euros, civil engineers who earn 50,000 to 70,000 euros, accountants or financial experts who earn 50,000 to 75,000 euros, digital marketing managers who earn between 45 to 65,000 euros, hospitality workers who earn between 27,000 to 35,000 euros, customer service or call center executives who earn between 28,000 to 35,000 euros, and warehouse or logistics workers who earn between 26,000 to 34,000 euros. The minimum wage in Ireland as of 2025 is around 12.70 euros per hour. Now we come to the basic requirements. The first requirement is a job offer that's for at least 2 years. Coming to your salary threshold, you'll need a minimum of 27,000 to 64,000 euros per year, depending on your occupation. Speaking of occupation, it must not be on Ireland's ineligible list of occupations that I mentioned before. Now for the employer condition, 50% of the staff must be EEA nationals unless it's a startup company. Also, your labor market needs test or LMNT is required in most cases to prove that no local candidate is available, except for some occupations, of course. Next, of course, you'll need relevant qualifications or work experience. Now for the visa and permit costs as of 2025, the duration of visa for up to 6 months will cost you 500 euros. For the visa between 6 to 24 months, it'll cost you 1,000 euros. For visas between 24 to 60 months, it'll cost you 1,500 euros. Kindly note that employers often pay all of these visa fees, like for sponsored roles. Coming to additional costs, your visa application if you're applying from outside Ireland is around 60 euros to 100 euros, and your GNIB or IRP registration once you're in Ireland will cost you 300 euros per year. Coming to why immigrants should think to apply for this visa, the first reason is it's a pathway to permanent residence. After 5 years on a GEP, you can apply for Stamp 4, allowing you to live or work freely without an employment permit. Next comes spouse and family reunification. After 1 year, you can sponsor your spouse and your dependents. Next, working rights for your spouse. Once your spouse arrives, they can apply for their own dependent or partner or spouse employment permit, allowing them to work freely in Ireland. Of course, there's high salaries and a strong economy. Ireland has one of the highest average salaries in the EU. You can also work for top global companies as Ireland is home to Google, Facebook, Apple, Pfizer, Accenture, and so many more global companies. You also get an English-speaking environment and excellent quality of life and public services. Coming to your documents required. Firstly, from the employee, you'll need a valid passport, passport-size photographs, signed copy of the job offer or job contract, a detailed job description, not to forget your CV and cover letter. Remember to add all relevant keywords as well. If you don't know the Ireland format and keywords to be added, reach out to us and we'll create your CV and cover letter for you at a nominal cost. You also need academic qualifications or certifications and proof of relevant work experience. Now from your employer, you'll need their company registration number, the employment contract, a detailed job offer letter that outlines your salaries, duties, and job duration, a labor market needs test if it's required for your occupation, and the proof of company's compliance with the 50-50 rule, which means at least 50% of the employer's workforce has to be EEA nationals. Now we come to the spouse and family permit options. After working for 12 months on a GEP, you can apply to bring your spouse and family members. Your spouse or partner can then apply for dependent partner or spouse employment permit. This permit will allow them full access to the Irish labour market so they can choose to work for any job and any employer in Ireland. Children can also then attend free public schools. Now for the step-by-step application guide. The first step is to secure a job offer. Ensure that the role is not on the ineligible occupations list. Your job must meet salary thresholds. Step 2 is the employer prepares and submits your application. They have to apply online through the EPOS system. Kindly note, either the employer or employee can submit this application. At this stage, all your required documents need to be uploaded and visa fee payment needs to be done. Step 3 is the labor market needs test if it's needed. To do this, your employer must advertise your job in the Irish Jobs portal or the EURES website and local newspapers as well. Step 4 is your application review. The decision usually comes within 6 to 8 weeks. You'll receive either a permit approval letter in a soft copy format or a refusal letter with an option to appeal. Step 5 is to apply for your long stay D visa. You can apply online for the Irish visa using the AWATS government portal. Then you can submit your documents to the Irish embassy or consulate in your home country. Next comes traveling to Ireland. Once your visa is approved, you can travel and register with immigration for a GNIB card or IRP within 90 days. Step 7 is begin working in Ireland. You can start work as per your permanent conditions. After 5 years, you can apply for Stamp 4, with which you won't need to apply for a work permit at all. Coming to some final tips. Always check the latest ineligible occupations list before applying to make sure that you're actually eligible for this permit. Again, this list has been linked below. Maintain clear documentation and timelines, especially if you're planning to bring your family along. Alright guys, so that was the Ireland General Employment Permit. For more immigration tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.